So I'm just gonna scan this item real quick and make some money. Cool. Oh, hey, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you a way to make money scanning items in the store. Target, Walgreens, a bunch of other stores. No purchase necessary. You'll even make more points though when you do purchase certain things, but you're buying them anyways, and that's how that works. But let's check it out, folks. But first, please subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I make videos about making money online, so check that out. Hundreds of videos in my back catalog, if you will, and there's all kind of little apps and stuff you can make money with. And if you really want to know how to make big money though, stick around to the end of the video. I'll show you a really cool way for that. And this is talking like a full-time income, passive income while you sleep, while you're on vacation, all that stuff. Check that out at the end of the video. Anyways, let's dive right into this. Let's go. So this is a website called Shopkick, and basically all you're gonna do is install this app on your iOS device or your Android device, and you're gonna earn points and get gift cards. Let's just check it out real quick. In-store rewards, you get some points for just for going to stores. You could scan items that they sent you to scan. You don't have to buy them, but when you do purchase stuff, you're gonna scan your receipt and get points as well. Let's just take a look, see how it works. So kicks are their rewards program. Basically, you get kicks for everything you do. Kicks in store and online, then redeem those kicks for a wide selection of digital gift cards. Most shop kickers earn enough kicks for a gift card in a week. So here's some of the things you could be doing. Walk into stores, earn kicks by entering the store, just for entering the store. Like I said, no purchase necessary. Visiting stores online, scan barcodes of products. Some companies want to know their stuff is in stock, so they do this and they'll pay Shopkick or whatever, and you get the points and all that kind of good stuff. View online products, you get points for that. Purchase with links. When you do make purchases with your linked card, you'll get kicks for that as well. On every dollar you spend at select stores when you shop with a linked credit card. Make purchases online, same kind of thing. Purchase and submit a receipt, same kind of thing. And watch videos in the app. Sometimes the apps are going to have videos you can watch. You can earn points for that. Again, there's no purchase necessary. But if you're shopping at stores like Target, Walgreens, and there's a bunch of other ones, you might as well get the points. Let's check out some reviews. But before we do that, let's get back to the home page real quick. So back on the home page here, treat yourself with a free gift card. Over $85 million in free gift cards have been paid out. Let's check out some of the gift cards they got here. They got Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Starbucks, AMC Theaters, TJ Maxx, eBay, Walgreens, and a bunch more. And again, same kind of thing. So let's check out some of the reviews here. This is the Android store. We got 4.3 out of 5. So that's pretty good. How many reviews is that? Whoa, 220,000 reviews. So that's a pretty good ranking for that many reviews. Of course, you're always going to get some bad ones in here too, but the most of them are 5 stars, as you can see here. And then, falling down to the 1-star, 2-star, 3-star range and 4-star. On the Apple store, we have 4.7 out of 5. Again, most of them are 5-star. You always have people that, have the bad experience or whatever. There's always that as well. So I don't think, 44,000 rankings on this one as well. So lots of rankings, a lot of clout for these folks. It's definitely something you want to check out. Obviously, you're not going to get rich doing this, and you're not going to make a full-time income. It's just something fun to do. I have lots of other apps like this on my channel, but if you really want to learn how to make money online, you're going to want to check out my #1 recommendation. It's a really cool platform. It does take a lot more work than just going to the store and scanning and items and stuff like that. It's actual like a passive income, make money while you're on vacation, but you got to put the time in the beginning to be able to do that. It's not a get rich scheme or anything like that, but the rewards can be really cool. In fact, let's take a look at some of those testimonials from this platform. How I earned close to $10,000 thanks to WA members, 9-year anniversary and a $30,000 sale, $452 from one platform one day. You can do this too. So these are realistic profiles here on the WA, my #1 recommendation, as I said. $632 this month, goal completed. Okay, so that's someone obviously starting out more than these other people that are making outrageous money. Just sold 2 sites for $9,000. Little by little, bit by bit. Made my first $100 this month on WA payday. So I'm showing you kind of different ones here. Some of them are the more experienced users, and some of them, first $100 in a month. That's a pretty good thing too to get started with. The reason I'm showing you this is these people are all inside this platform as well, and everyone helps each other out. There's a huge community here of people. Sorry about the sirens in the back. I live in New York, and they're just sirens. If you could hear those, I don't know. Anyways, there's a large community of people here to help you out as well. So check out the top link in the video description below. It's a free account. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. Just check it out for yourself. You'll see if it's something you want to do or not. Like I said, you get free training, free websites, a huge community of helpful people, all kind of other free stuff in there. I'm not going to go into too much detail. Also, check out the app I was just talking about, and check out my channel. Subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Check out all my old back catalog. I have money apps and stuff like that you can make money from, and different techniques and all this kind of stuff. Anyways, I'm rambling on, so I'm just going to stop talking now. I'm going to get going. If you're still watching, put a thumbs up in the down thing. Click the like button or whatever, and I'll know you're still watching to the end. But thanks a lot. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.